How to fix black screen on game launch on Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause launch failures, and verifying them can fix the issue. Right-click on the problematic game and pick Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait till the scan is finished and attempt to launch the game again. A recent update might cause compatibility issues with games, leading to black screens. Right-click on the most recent update and select Uninstall. Proceed with on-screen instructions. Then, type updates in Windows search and press Enter. Click Pause the updates for 7 days. In Windows 11, you can pick a different time period. If that didn't work, outdated or corrupted GPU drivers can prevent games from launching properly. Pick Search automatically for drivers. If updates are found, allow them to install. Restart your PC after updating all necessary drivers. DirectX is essential for producing visualizations and managing multimedia tasks in games. Outdated or corrupted DirectX files may prevent the game from launching.